Hey, this project is particularly fun. I told you last time, the last video, that Carson got his license. Well, we weren't planning on a car for him this early, but something just came along, and that something is this 2007 Volkswagen. Is it EOS or EOS? How do you pronounce it? EOS?
Yeah,
it's like the Camry. It's pretty much like the Camry, but it's a car. 200 horsepower, 2-liter engine, like 3,500 pound car. Should scoop pretty well. This particular one, not so much. Got a little issue. It doesn't have any compression. So we ran compression checks last night. Cylinder 1 has 0. Cylinder 2 has like 60 psi. Cylinder 3 has 0, and cylinder 4 has 0. So we're suspecting something happened with the overhead camshaft. Don't know what it is yet. We know that the timing belt's good. So what you're going to see today is going to tear the top off of this bad boy and see what the problem is. It should be fun.
I got a quick release front bumper.
That's really nasty.
Yeah, I'm not.
Hey, I think you had a squirrel pellet. Hey, squirrel! Squirrel! Yeah, hey, sorry, we gotta interrupt. This video is interrupted for a 260Z. Gotta go see it. Very cool. Huh?
280.
Oh, sorry, 280Z.
You're gonna get him on a video.
Look at the rocker. I love the color.
What year is this, Greg?
75. First year.
This is your dad's car.
Yep. They took it all the way down and cleaned up all the dings and
Yeah,
all
look
that.
at the look.
Stop.
Did they spin?
One side did, one side didn't. You gonna bore scope it, Cartman?
No, I'm gonna bore scope it though.
Okay, bore scope it though.
Can you see it in the camera?
I'm done.
Hey, look at that.
Over here. All right, I got a list here. This is your list here.
Alright.
Disconnect ground, remove plenum chamber bulkhead, remove intake manifold. That'll keep us busy for a while.
The head back from the machine shop, and we're waiting on a camshaft alignment tool because the intake cam was obviously not spinning. So you can see in the video, it's because the timing chain snapped. So we need an alignment tool to put them back into their normal positions so we don't mess up the timing of the engine. And we're just pulling the plastic off of the head.
It sure looks clean.
Yeah, it is. Wow. Smells like clean stuff. Ready?
So we truly are at the halfway point. We've taken it completely apart, got the head fixed, we're ready to put this all back together, but there's a catch. And that is that the vehicle has been sitting for 3 months. Yep, that means we broke Humpty Dumpty. Pieces have been all over the floor of the garage for 3 months, and now it's time to put it back together. Well, actually it's not. The project's over. I just can't tell you whether the car worked at the very end or not. That's why we're sitting out here rather than in the car. Max here, he knows how it turned out. He wasn't able to help, by the way, because he doesn't have opposable thumbs. Come back and check things out in a couple days. We'll have part 2 up. You can see how things turned out. In the meantime, what's up, Max? He's getting trained. He's getting much better. Watch the other videos. He is much better than he used to be. He's actually a good boy now, aren't you, buddy? Yeah. So if you like us, like. If you want to get more of this, subscribe. And if you want to get in touch, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. How about you, Max? You want to watch? Oh, can't hold a wrench. You're still a good boy, though.